Before starting the system, make sure that the main disconnect switch is off. Check if the ladders and racks are properly mounted in an upright position, no obstructions are in the way of the racking area, and the strainer is in position. Turn the main disconnect switch to the on position and press the green start button. Some systems may have an auxiliary push button located at a convenient position. Adjust the setting to the desired speed. The anti-jam safety limit switch shuts off the conveyor when trays are not fully loaded into the tray carriers. Soiled trays are loaded onto the empty racks of the accumulator on the loading side. These trays are unloaded at the sorting area located on the other side. Some accumulators are provided with an integral dish table with waste trough and dish rack conveyor. To shut down the conveyor, push the red stop button, then turn the main disconnect switch to the off position. Before cleaning the accumulator, shut down the system. Baskets and ladders can be easily removed for cleaning. The strainer should be removed and cleaned at the end of each shift.